day, guys. So this will just be a quick recap on gbpjpy, or how I traded gbpjpy, or rather how I missed 3 good trades on gbpjpy. So starting off, why I started selling on gbpjpy was because of this trendline liquidity present here. And if you're an SLP trader, you already know that anytime we have a liquidity, a trendline liquidity, it's very likely that market will take out that trendline liquidity. And if you look at it closely, you see that gbpjpy has been bullish, has been buying massively, meaning we need a sort of retracement, and this was the trendline liquidity present here, meaning we should be looking for opportunities to clear off this trendline liquidity. So what I looked for was, after getting my trendline liquidity present, I started looking for zones whereby I could sell off from. So now, luckily for me, I got this zone here, this 3 hour zone, which this is a breaker. My inducement is present, and now after price reacting to that zone, now I know that I'll keep on looking for sales until price clears this low here, this trendline liquidity here, and that was what I started looking for. Unfortunately for me, I did not take this trade because of I was still doubting GG, if GG was going to sell. I needed the confirmation. So price tapped into this my breaker block here, sold off massively. Moving on, then I started scaling down to lower time frame to still find entries. My first entry I was looking for here was this entry here, whereby this was the other block, this was the break of structure, or the market structure shift, whatever you want to call it. This was the inducement, and I was expecting price to come back there, but unfortunately price did not come back there. Then what did I do again? I looked for another opportunity to sell. Now let's go down back to the 30 minutes time frame. Is it okay? It's on 15 minutes time frame, which was this zone, whereby this was our breaker here, which caused a market structure shift there, a little market structure shift here. If you notice, this was the inducement. What the price do? Price tapped in here. Unfortunately for me again, this sell didn't trigger on my MT5 due to spread. I missed this again. Moving on again, I caught this sell here again. But now I didn't also take this one again. Just here, as I was missing trades, I didn't take this one here again because of, as at the time I saw this setup, it was around, I think, 11 o'clock, and I knew, no, around 10 o'clock, and I knew that the spreads and everything will be more. So like, I went to sleep. By the time I woke up the next morning, price already played out, already sold massively. Okay, sorry, that was this for this one. That was for this one. This one, what happened that I didn't take this one safe? I don't even know. Something happened that I didn't take this one, and this one was because of spread and everything. When I slept off and when I woke up, everything already came back to TP. So this was how I missed 3 good trades, or rather 4 good trades on GJ. So these things happen sometimes, and lately safe, my trading has been a little bit too rough. I don't know why. Last month and this month was nothing to write home about. But anyways, we keep on going. So, but I'll start dropping more videos soon. I wasn't dropping videos due to some things, but now I'll start dropping more videos, so you guys should just enjoy. And that was the reason why I was selling GG. I think that should be all. So thanks, guys.